Do you know that 9 out of the 10 highest mountain peaks in the world are located in one mountain range? So there are so many different mountain ranges in the world, but 9 of the 10 highest mountain peaks are in just one mountain range. And which mountain range is that? Well, it's the Himalayas. In fact, the Himalayan range is the mightiest mountain range in the world. A major part of the Himalayan mountain range lies in the northern and northeastern part of India. So this huge mountain range majorly falls in our country India. That is, a major part of it falls in our country India, and it covers the northern and northeastern part of India. So let's see. You can see this entire range is the Himalayan range, and if you zoom in, you see all these snow covered mountains, high mountains. This entire region is called the Himalayas or the Himalayan range. Now part of the Himalayan range actually falls in some other countries. That is, this entire part falls in Nepal and this entire part falls in Bhutan. But apart from that, this entire region falls in the northern states and this in the eastern and northeastern state of India. So as you can see, this entire range is the Himalayan mountain range. Now the Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range with an average height of 5,600 meters. In fact, the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, is part of the Himalayas. Now, how high is 5,600 meters? It's pretty high. If you compare the height of the Himalayas with other mountain ranges in the world, it's much higher than all of them. So, some of the famous mountain ranges in the world, such as the Andes, the Alps, the Scandinavian mountains, North USA mountains, Western USA mountains, New Zealand mountains, all of them are much shorter than the Himalayas. As you can see that its height is much more than any one of them. So you see, the Himalayan range is pretty high, and average height of this mountain range is 5,600 meters. Now there are a number of states which are covered by the Himalayas. So in the north we have Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So this is the Jammu and Kashmir state. Then this you have Himachal Pradesh, and then we have Uttarakhand here. After that there is a stretch which lies in Nepal. Then again we have this Indian state Sikkim here, and then you have this stretch again which is our neighboring country Bhutan, and then again this entire stretch here is our state Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the states which are covered by the Himalayas. So we have Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand in the north, and Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So which of the following states is a part of the Himalayas? Is it Arunachal Pradesh? Is it Uttar Pradesh? Or is it Andhra Pradesh? What do you think? Well, definitely it's Arunachal Pradesh. It is in the northeast of India. Now, three major rivers, Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra, originate from the Himalayas. So, three major rivers, Ganges, Brahmaputra and Indus, originate in the Himalayas, and together they form the Great Northern Plains. So you see, this entire stretch of land here is actually formed by these three rivers, and these are low-lying lands which are called the Great Northern Plains, and this entire stretch is made by these three rivers which originate from the Himalayas, that is Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra. Now, also, two of the highest mountain peaks in the world, that is Mount Everest and Mount Kanchenjunga, are part of the Himalayas. So, Mount Everest lies here, that is in Nepal. Okay, and here we have the Mount Kanchenjunga. A part of Mount Kanchenjunga lies in Nepal, while some of it lies in India too, that is the Sikkim state of India. So now you know where the Himalayan range is located. Let's try to mark it on a map of India. So where are the Himalayas located? Well, the upper part of India, that is the northern part, isn't it? So let's start marking. So from where would you start? This entire region here is the Himalayas basically. Okay, so you can see this curve here. You can start from here. So this is the how you can mark the mountain range till here, that is till Nepal. Now Nepal entirely is covered by the Himalayas. So the Indian part ends here, and again you have the Indian state of Sikkim here. So this part is again Himalayas till here. Then again you have Bhutan, and then from here you can start marking it and till here. So this entire region is the Himalayan range that falls in India. Now, where are two of the highest peaks of the Himalayan mountain range located? Well, the two are Mount Everest and Mount Kanchenjunga. Now, Mount Everest is in Nepal. So, it's located here in Nepal, somewhere at this point. So, where is Mount Kanchenjunga located? Well, part of it lies in India, isn't it? Now, it is located between Nepal and India. So, part of it lies in Sikkim and part of it in Nepal. So, it's somewhere here. So, here you have the Mount Kanchenjunga. So, here you have Mount Everest and here you have the Mount Kanchenjunga at the border of Nepal and India. So, together this entire range is the Himalayas, a very important physical division of India. So, the Himalayas are one of the tallest mountain ranges in the world, and three major rivers, Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra, originate in the Himalayas and form the Great Northern Plains. The Himalayas act as the natural boundary of India on the northern side. So the entire northern side is covered by the Himalayas and it acts as the natural boundary of India. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.